Hi everyone, you're watching Forex, and in this video I want to share with you my results of trading for about a year and a half. I started to trade this particular account, which I share with you guys since January 2020, and at this moment I have to say, like, my trading season has finished. I stopped trading somewhere beginning of May. I had a little bit of rest. I withdrawn some money. I left a little bit on my account because, of course, I will continue trading, but just not as aggressive and so often as I was doing for the last year. So just like I was saying to you in my previous video, I'm going to have a little bit of rest. If you have not been following my videos and you're first time watching it, so I just want to tell you guys, I have been trading for a very long time. I'm considering myself a part-time trader, and I use my strategy, which is a price breakout strategy. I have been using it for many years, and what I do, I look for possible entry points myself manually, but I use an EA to place the orders, okay? And the EA takes it into its hands, let's say it that way, and continue the trade, where it closes half positions and moves the stop loss into break even, and then moves the rest of it with the trailing stop. I have to say that there are different setups you can do with the EA, and of course, sometimes I trade with stops, without stops, and I also use a recovery system which is built in the EA. So you see, pretty much through the years, if you don't know my strategy, you can watch my old videos, and they are all accurate for today, with a little bit of difference that I'm changing some settings, okay, setups, like the distance of the pips, but the technique is exactly the same as I used to have. So, and you see the other way, what I'm changing, sometimes trading with stops, sometimes I'm trading without stops. It all depends on the situation on the market. So as you can see, guys, I have made about 1,300%, and I think it's not too bad. Could have been better, could have been worse, I don't know, because I have never had a target. I never put target, and I was trading like some months I wasn't trading, some months I was trading really hard, like last few months, and so, like I'm saying, I'm not considering myself a professional trader, and not aggressive one, because I don't use very high and big lots. Okay, so let's just I'll show you a little bit and tell you a bit more. So you can see right now it's in MT4, the platform. If you're gonna ask me about a broker, you can check the description, because I don't want to recommend any particular one. You can check some of the brokers I'm working with, and also if you're interested in the EA, you can find all the links in the description. And also, of course, you can join my free Telegram channel, which is FX, and I have a lot of social sites on Facebook, and you can find me on Instagram, anywhere. And yeah, let's start. You see, I started in January 2020 with just about 5,000, slightly less, and you see I was trading January. I didn't trade in February, then it was March, it was April, and I was going through May, June, a little bit of July, and then I had a break. You see, I don't have any trades in August, because I was actually away. I went to Bulgaria at that time, had a small trip, and then I started to trade a lot. You can see September, October, that's my usual favorite time of trading is autumn. And you see I had non-stop trading in November, and then I had, you see, lots of trades in November, and then I had December also quite a lot. Sometimes I don't trade, you see, the 25th, 20th. I usually would also finish trading before the Christmas, but I have been trading all December, and then you see January, lots of trades, and then February, full month of trading, and March and April. As you can see, all these trades, a lot of trading, and some trades I have made in May, just a few at the beginning, and then I stopped. So that's what I've withdrawn. So as you can see, guys, I left a little bit money. I have made total 65, well, 500. I left 10,000 plus, and took out 35,000, which I'm going to use, of course, pay bills, and leave some for possible trips, and wherever else I might need to do. Actually, I wanted to use it, of course, for my travels. We were supposed to go travel actually last year. Had a very big European trip, but it was cancelled due to pandemic, and this year it was supposed to be happening in spring, but also was cancelled, unfortunately. So I just hope maybe I will have just little weekend breaks, going to Spain, maybe Portugal, Morocco, so little ones. So we will see how the situation will change, right? So that's what I'm going to do. And like I'm saying, I'm leaving some money out there because I'm still going to continue to trade, just not as hard as I was doing it for the last few months. So hopefully we'll be doing just a part-time trading, few trades maybe a week. And of course I will be making my weekly videos, and well, maybe it depends how busy I will. Maybe I will do again from time to time my signals through Telegram channel, sending you exact screenshots with the exact my entry points like I was doing. So and I just want to show you again the size, the lot size I was using, so you can see it's not huge. I started with it depends. You see, I have 0.01. Usually the minimum I would go 0.02, so that's actually the split lot sizes. So you see, and then it goes 0.04, very small. You can see through 6, 8, 10, 0.10, 0.20, and if you will go, you see it's still quite a lot of already done here, and I only have few one lot sizes, and it will be going down a little bit more, and the maximum I had about 3 lots and 5 lots. It was just one trade. It's been using a recovery system. That's what I'm saying, guys. If you're using recovery and sometimes it can go a little bit not right direction, then you can get a really big lot size. So you need to keep an eye on it. That's why I don't like to use fully automated systems, because you see, can be not controlled and can go into that high. So, but pretty much, as you can see, I have quite small lot sizes. I don't like to use big lots myself, and I never place them. I'm using quite small lot sizes. So now I'm going to show you the proof on FX Blue independent site, where you can see also that's what I have left now on the account, that's what I deposited, and actually the bank trades were all 120,000. I know it sounds like really cool, but you see the losing trades is 55,000. Yeah, I know you might say it's quite a lot, but I don't see it as a losses. It's just the money used to produce the profits. So that's how you look at when you're trading. You can't really trade without any losing trades. So it just has to happen. That's why you see here it shows 2,700%, but really it was 1,300%. Okay, so just I wanted to show you here, and to see a statement. If you want really to see it yourself, you can ask me, contact me, and I'll give you a PIN code, and you can log in yourself and have a look at it on the site itself. So I'm just showing you on the screen. You can see it all, and yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the close profit you just saw in MT4, and that's what I have left at this moment. So, well, that's it, guys. Just wanted to share with you a little bit of trading results, what I have been doing, and how I've been doing. Like, I know some of you might say, why would you just leave it and keep trading, making it more and more? I have to say, because, well, first of all, of course, I need some money, okay, and I never have any targets, to get like as much as possible, because I don't, I trade usually the same amount of lots, and I don't feel comfortable to go for bigger lots, like trading 1, 2, or 3 lots. Okay, that's why I have like my usual limit, and that's how I feel comfortable with it. So I don't want to get too greedy, and that's what I always saying, don't get greedy, because if you will start to get greedy, you're going to lose. So, and I found myself doing more comfortable with the smaller size lots. Okay, enough profits for me, and that's why I'm just not looking into bigger ones. Okay, don't feel comfortable yet, because like I'm saying, I don't consider myself a professional trader. As a part-time trader, I feel better to do it this way. So yeah, that's that's how it is. So that's it for now, guys. Hope you liked the video, of course, and if you want to keep learning from me and more about the strategy, the way I trade, my weekly analysis, and you of course can follow me and join through my YouTube channel, of course Telegram channel. So you have all links in the description once again. I wish you all guys happy trading, be safe of course, and I see you in my next video. Bye everyone.